indlela ongene ngayo indlela ophuma ngayo, indlela ongene ngayo indlela ephume ngayo, ozophuma ngayo. You know one thing I've noticed about uGod ne, indaba yomjolo engathi akayingeni, indaba yomjolo akayingeni. And one thing about umjolo usigila sonke. Hi bazali bamzitho, welcome to Mkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Mkosi wethu namhlanje bazali bamzitho, it's about uLeli Menziwa. Guys, if you don't know uLeli Menziwa, she's the teacher, the gorgeous teacher who was training guys. She used to date uGenimbi that time, and she once trended about indlela agqoka ngayo when she is going to school, when she's going to work. She's working guys a secondary, and ibhodi yakhe is T. I don't wanna lie, ibhodi yakhe ile bhodi abantu abayele eTurkey, but then uNkulunkulu ngiphe free mahala nje tuchi ya. So guys, uLeli Menziwa, she also trended about English yakhe, but the English yakhe is not Englishing guys. A lot of people complain ukuthi lo muntu ithola kanjani i-degree ngale English le. Unfortunately guys, for you i-degree angithi uyabhala, ukhona umuntu wakwazi ukukhuluma English but akwazi ukuyibhala. That is a reality of life. So guys, uLeli Menziwa last year, if not a year last, she was dating a married man, because it seems like now they've separated with this guy. The man umfundisi igama lakhe uThabo, after he separated with unkosikazi wakhe, which is uHope. uLeli Menziwa guys uyenza ama-videos amaningi. It seems like i-separation kaThabo noHope, it was not a nice one, because wife, she was demanding a lot of things. She was demanding a divorce, but it seemed like guy, which is the pastor, didn't want to give the wife a divorce. But according to uLeli Menziwa, she was always emtameni ka-sister. She was always emtameni ka-lo wife guys. I do not know why uma side chick ungahlali uneleni. uPromise Maskuyane once told us about the formula. Guys, if we are a girlfriend, hlala eleni yakho kuba girlfriend. If you are a side chick, hlala umuntu nomuntu mahlala eleni yakhe. So I don't know what Thabo promised uLeli Menziwa, but it seems like uLulu thought ukuthi yena uyihola than though, because I remember last year aba pregnant, she gave birth to a beautiful baby boy, and ama-live bekawayenza guys. You could see ukuthi ugudla the wife, because I'm calling uHope the wife, because i-divorce up is not yet finalized banoThabo. That means uLeli Menziwa bekahlala emzini kaThabo, and uLulu would celebrate ukuthi uThabo ucosha umfazi wakhe nengane. They have nowhere to stay, only to ukuthi yena abe accommodated, and they seem to love each other. And I understand guys, obviously uThabo bayazobonakala engathi uyamthanda uLulu. Is T, the body is T guys. And one thing I've noticed about the relationship ingaba yinhle on socials only. Uthola the reality of the relationship is not nice. Uyabona, if we are still saying abantu they are happily married or they are happily in a relationship, judging from the pictures, that means we do not know nothing. So guys, uLeli Menziwa has deleted all the pictures zakaThabo, and the allegations they are saying uLulu noThabo they are separated guys. uLulu noThabo, they are no longer together, and it seems like uLulu ubuyele endaweni yakhe, and bakasahlala endaweni yomfazi. And guys, ku-live ayenzile where she said she'll be going back to YouTube, she'll be making ama-YouTube videos, and she also threatened ukuthi uzosua uOwami just because uthi uOwami she has been on her neck. I don't like angikhulumeli uOwami ne, but I've never seen even a single video where uOwami akhuluma into that is not true about uLulu. What uLulu she was doing guys, she was totally wrong. If ujola nendoda umuntu uhlwane nomfazi, if when you feel like this man loves you and this man uzokushada and the things azenzile kula mfazi angeke azenze kuwe, yenza lokho and keep that to yourself. Because one thing about Kama is a bitch guys, and iKama ine-address iyayethu sonke. And when it comes to umjolo engathi sheshe ifike iKama, when it comes to umjolo engathi sheshe ifike, I didn't understand ukuthi why uLulu would do things that should do, or she'll say things that she used to say about this wife. I remember there's this time aceda ukuthola umntana yakhe, she said mama zala wakhe uthi umfazi wangempela uqala ukuzala ngomfana, abafazi baqala ukuzala ngamantombazane. That means loyo mfazi akusumfazi oqotho. Angithi uThabo i-first born kaThabo no the wife ingathi baby girl, so that means the wife akusumfazi oqotho just because uqala ukuzala ngentombazane. Hey guys, you know one thing about amadoda, but mina izinto bekazisho 80% of my heart, I felt like indoda le yiyo bemnika amandla ukuthi okhulume nezinto bekazikhuluma ngalo yakhe loyi ngomama engane. She later even said umntana yakhe yena akana ma siblings. umntanakhe uyi-one because umntanakhe akaboni ukuthi he'll meet labantwana bakaThabo laba ngoba bahlala nokuhlala nabo. You know, Lulu, I do not feel sorry for her, and I do not like, guys. I don't feel sorry for Lulu. In fact, I'm celebrating a separation yakhe noThabo. She'll feel how it's like to be a single parent. Angithi naye the time uThabo bekathi nanyaka wondlela zengane, she didn't see anything wrong. Bahamba ama-courts up and down nama-courts abiza umuzi wale mfazi lo ohlala kuwolala ngaphansi kwawo ukuthi horrible. Yena she's spending a lot of money to fix indlu yomunye umfazi. And she can't wait ukuthi umfazi noThabo to divorce so that uThabo should take 50% yaka provident fund yaka Hope because they are married, so that money it will help them ukuthi bakhulise umuzi wabo also to buy the new house that they want, indlu yamaphupho wakhe. So yena bekasho uzowakha indlu yamaphupho wakhe ngemali yomunye umfazi. Umbone ukuthi le ntombazana ayibhadlanga, but as uMagajan, I do not feel sorry for Lulu. I do not want to lie. But when I was album, you can comment down below your thoughts. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. In Itanda, ukuya nokubuya.